Okay, so this is the floor dumbbell power press. What I'm doing is I'm starting with my elbows touching the ground, my feet are up, my knees come toward my body, and then as I push my feet down to the ground and raise my hips up, I'm going to press the dumbbells up as powerfully as I can, okay? So I'm going to come back and then boom, press everything up. Then come back and then boom, press everything up. Okay, this is a great power move. We're really focusing on trying to push those hips all the way up to the ceiling as high as you can and exploding up with those dumbbells, pressing them up at the same time. Okay, this is a great power move. This is great for increasing that explosiveness. Okay, go out, give it a try, and make it a great day.